Hi, I'm Justin with 1 Hour Heating and Air, and today we're going to be doing both a duct cleaning and a service on this carrier package unit. This is what the duct looks like underneath the duct cover. The reason why we take the duct cover off is we can better access the duct. As you can see, there's already debris inside the return ducting. One of the things about our duct cleaning method is the level of filtration that we have. On this unit right here, this part picks up a lot of the major particles that are inside your home. And we're not recirculating any of this, so any existing dirt you see has been left over. Now, if you look right here inside this, as you can tell, it's pretty darn dusty. This is a lot of the stuff that we're pulling out of people's homes right here. Anything that's not like a larger particle will fall into this. Now, the other particles that we do filter out come through this right here, which is our HEPA filter. This is the level of filtration that we're using to get this stuff out of your home. We were actually able to do this not only in your home, but also in your place of business. So one of the things that we look for when we're doing duct cleanings as well is to look at your duct integrity to make sure there's no issues. We actually had already sealed this duct a few months ago, but as you can see, when we talk about like sealing and helping stop infiltration, all of this is a type of mastic that we've gone through with a brush and sealed every single joint in this duct. We also do check to make sure all your runs are connected, and that we come to a lot of duct cleanings and we find out that there are runs that are partially disconnected. One of the things that you see here is our compressor. What we're doing is we're using compressed air in a lot of our duct systems because they have insulation on the inside of them, and a lot of times these brushes can be too abrasive for a duct with insulation on the inside. So we use air, and we use the chucks like these. This one is a chuck, as you can tell. It has little holes on the back side of it, and with this chuck we use this air compressor to pull the air and the dust and debris back to the vacuum. We actually help the vacuum by agitating with this, pushing it back toward the vacuum, getting in the airstream, and letting the vacuum get it back to itself. We take these flexible rods and we take these rods through your duct and make sure that we can get through every supply, even flexible supplies. These rods will fit through. This little octopus looking thing is with these little fingers is what we use with the compressed air to agitate the dirt and debris inside your flex duct. What happens is when you put 100 psi worth of air through these little fingers, they flail everywhere and gets that dust and debris into the airstream for the vacuum to suck it back. For a duct that doesn't have insulation on the inside of it, we also have these larger brushes. They can be used in commercial applications as well to agitate all the dust and debris inside the duct and bring it back to the vacuum. Along with the vacuum itself, what we try to do is we restrict the airflow to create a more intense vacuum to get the dirt and debris back to the vacuum itself. The more we do, the more it starts sucking to it as we go. All right, got a little one. Go. Now I'm going to use this truck to take all the material that I pushed into the trunk line and bring it back to the vacuum. So right now what we're doing is we're going to see just how much debris is inside the trunk line that we pushed inside the trunk line. We've got a simple solution to breathe easy. Call 1 Hour Heating and Air for all of your duct and your duct cleaning needs.